To turn off Samsung Galaxy A07 without touching the screen, first of all, you have to connect this smartphone into other device, for example, into PC or into other smartphone. So we have to be connected like that. Now you have to click and hold the volume down button and the power key simultaneously until the phone turns off. So it will take around 3 moments, and then we have to release and click and hold again, but volume up and the power key. So instead of the volume down, we just have to switch into the volume up and keep holding those buttons all the time until the recovery mode turns on. Now as you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy logo, but we have to keep holding, and as you can see, now we are in this recovery mode. And by the way, when you are in the recovery mode, you have to unplug this cable from your phone, because when you didn't unplug it, then after you select power off, the smartphone will turn on back. So use the volume up button to select power off and click on the power button to confirm.